Hey Batty Besties, welcome back. If you don't know us, I'm Rhonda.
And I'm Haley.
And today we're doing some advent calendars. Normally we do subscription boxes. So we have an 8-part video and I forgot which part this is. So let's get started. Okay, so the 3 we have today I'm very excited about because they are all food and drink, which for advent calendars, unless it's chocolate, I don't think it's that normal. So I'm pretty excited. So Haley has a bunch of alcoholic drinks that do not have alcohol in it, which is great because I love mocktails. So I picked it up at World Market because I was so freaking excited, which actually all 3 of the ones we're going to open today are all from World Market. So Haley's going to go through these, and this one is the Bon Maman. I'm making things up. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it is all jams and jellies. I'm not exactly sure what they call them. Fruit spreads and honey. So, what about you? I'm excited to get into it. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this one because, well, obviously this is 12 day, but this one is supposed to be 24, and I have no idea how to open it.
Okay, so this one is a Cuban-style mojito. It says mojito, right?
Mojito, yes. Cream-style mojito. I don't think I've ever heard of a cream-style mojito. That's super cool. I have a feeling I'm opening this very wrong.
It says Cuban-style, not cream-style.
That's why.
Cuban?
Oh, I thought it said cream-style. I was like, what? Okay, so it's got it on both sides. I already ruined the little house. My bad. It's fine. I put it back. Okay, so apparently I'm going to be flipping this thing one way and then the other and then the other. Number 1 is, oh my gosh, okay. These are not easy. I'm going to break some glass today, I have a feeling. It's just a joke, Haley. Glass will not actually break. Okay, it's fine. Pear Mirabelle Plum Spread. Oh, I'm excited. I don't know why I love these little bottles of jars, jams, and honey spreads and all of that. They just make me so happy inside.
They're so cute and tiny.
Especially like when they have jalapeno in them. I know, they're adorable.
So my second cocktail is a Mai Tai.
Number 2, Cherry Elderflower Spread. So you get to try a bunch of things you like never had before. Excited.
Bellini?
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 That's like a breakfast alcohol usually. So Haley's never had any of these drinks. We let her try a beer, but she's not like she's out there just drinking all the time. She's literally tried a beer and almost like threw up. So just in case anybody's thinking about calling the cops on me.
Okay, this is a
Venetian. From Venice. Italy. Venetian. I think. Could be Greek. Sometimes I'm an idiot.
This is a peach Bellini.
Number 3 is the Mango Peach Lime Spread.
Okay, I have a blue Hawaiian.
Very excited about the blue Hawaiian. I have to figure out if you guys have any ideas what I can mix these with besides water or something, like juices, the specific juices that would go with these, because I'm not going to use alcohol. I stopped drinking a long time ago. It's a good thing, trust me.
This is a New York Appletini.
Number 4, Seedless Raspberry Spread. Okay, something a little bit normal.
Okay, is that a Moscow Mule or
Moscow Mule?
Moscow Mule.
You should ask Valeria if she's had a Moscow Mule. Valeria was our foreign exchange student who is now going to college in Moscow.
You know, this bugs me. They're all filled to different levels. Oh, that bugs me on so many levels.
No, she doesn't have OCD. Why would you think that? Number 5, Strawberry verbena spread. I've only seen verbena. I've only seen verbena in the lotions. I didn't know it was something you could eat. See, I'm learning new things when I open this. That's a great thing about an advent calendar, if you learn something new, right?
Yeah.
Haley's learning lots of new alcohol drink names, so when she finally can go to the bar at 21, she'll know what she wants to order.
This is a tropical painkiller. You know, I was actually looking something up for my environmental science class yesterday. I was looking up what a sea breeze was.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're pretty good.
And it just popped up alcohol. Like, I typed in sea breeze. The first thing that
I mean,
popped
it's a
up was
color or
alcohol.
something too, right? Like, there's other things. It's not just a drink, right?
I don't know. That was the first thing and only thing that popped up when I typed in sea breeze. I had to go
people
into
like
depth.
what they like.
I had to go into depth, be like sea breeze, environmental science.
Number 6, sweet orange passion fruit spread. Very excited about that.
Okay, you're going to have to help again.
Brazilian style caparina is what I'm guessing. Caparina.
Yeah.
I've not seen that word before, so if you're Brazilian, don't shoot me. I'd appreciate that.
Ooh, a pina colada. I
If
like
you
getting.
like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain. So I told my husband, "Oh my God, I love this song," and he gave me the dirtiest look. He's like, "Do you know what that song is about, right?"
Pina coladas and getting caught in the rain.
No, it's about Pina Colada song is about a husband and a wife who are bored with each other
Oh,
and
and
put
then-
an ad in the newspaper to find somebody to go have a little fling or something with. I don't know if they were like looking to like move out of the relationship or what, but they ended up they ended up choosing each other out of the newspaper ad and meeting at the restaurant and being like, well, okay, then I didn't know you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain, and like they learned something new about each other and they couldn't be mad at each other because they had both done it.
Huh?
So they were like, well, okay then.
I think Aramis told me that.
I love that song. It's so catchy. Number 8, apricot bergamot spread. I didn't know you could eat bergamot either. I'm getting very excited about all of this.
Mine is a Singapore sling.
Number 9 is a rhubarb strawberry spread. I've had a few of those. They're pretty dang good.
Okay. A classic margarita. And a Sydney sunrise last week.
Some of those I haven't tried. Number 10 is blueberry blackcurrant spread. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. Number 12 is a cherry blackberry spread. I think this is just the best advent calendar of the 24 ones. I was most excited about the food ones, to be honest. And I mean, chocolate's meh. I know a lot of people like chocolate, but I like this newness, what do you say? Diversity? The creativity of this. I think that's what I'm trying to say.
Oh my goodness, this is
So this
heavy.
one also came from World Market, and it's just pastas. How great is that? So let's see what kind of pasta they got.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Number 13 was a grapefruit dragon fruit spread. That's gonna be interesting. I bet it has like a little bit more of a tang to it.
Oh no. Why did you give me the ones with the weird names?
Some of these are weird.
Look at that.
Yeah, good luck. Alicio Dolly.
We're going with that.
I'm making things up. Just ignore me.
We're going with that.
Oh, I skipped number 11.
Those look like some fun yummy noodles.
Number 11, apricot mango spread. I'm like getting, okay, number 14. I think that's what I'm on. I might be on 13. Orange cinnamon spread.
Okay, this one is root.
Brote. That's the thing about Spanish, and I think Italian. I don't think it's true of French, but like Spanish and Italian, you literally pronounce every single letter. They don't generally tend to ignore the sounds of letters like English does, which is nice.
Okay, this one is Penne de Candela.
Candela. Penne a candela.
Okay, then this is not okay. Oh, these next ones are hearts.
Really? Oh, cute. Big cardamom spread. It's nice and dark. Let's see.
All of it's in Italian, Mom.
That means it's the good stuff. They probably did import it. I mean, it's world market.
So, I'm just going to stop trying to pronounce it. I'm just going to show you the cute ones. So this is the heart one.
Number 16, raspberry lychee spread. Lychee is delicious. I'm excited about that. Oh, apparently I skipped number 7. I'm losing track because I'm getting so excited about all 3 of these boxes. These were the 3 that I was most excited to open. Oh, God, ouch. My goodness. Pineapple passion fruit spread. That was number 7. Those are cute. They look like, I don't know. They look like little pipe fittings.
Yeah. So this is number 6.
My thumb's going to be sore. Ow, I just stabbed myself with the cardboard. Look, it actually broke the skin. Number 17, raspberry. Oh, raspberry red currant spread.
Oh, that worked out.
I don't know if
so
I like
well.
red currant.
I just went.
Yeah, and it all just came out. It didn't have like where you break them out one at a time, did it?
No.
Oh, but it has the numbers here.
Yeah. Okay. Then we have the big fat ones.
Let's see what it's called. Mezzi Paceri Rigati. I'm making things up. Somebody who's Italian's gonna yell at me. I'm like waiting for it. No, I did not take Italian. No, I do not speak Italian.
Ooh, I want to make mac and cheese with these ones.
You can also stuff them with things. Oh no. Oh, that's weird. I've heard of noci, but that one's like nocho, Napoleano. Cherry Christmas spice spread. I mean, what does Christmas spice taste like? Well, we're gonna find out.
I want to make mac and cheese with that one.
You know what? I think they're too big for mac and cheese because there's so much space in there. Like, I don't think that one's good for mac and cheese. Let me have it. I'm gonna need new fingers after this.
You good?
No. Lemon yuzu spread. What is yuzu?
Oh, I like how they have like the little fruits on the.
Yeah.
And then these ones look like weird screws. So we're going with that.
20 was apricot lavender spread. That's interesting. I hope I don't love one that I can never get again. That will make me cry.
All these pastas are so big.
White nectarine peach spread.
These ones look like low bacteria.
Okay, that's not okay to say. What?
Like
That doesn't make it sound appealing. Like I want to eat it.
these ones are big fat rings, and these are the last ones in there. So yeah.
Wild strawberry spread. like strawberry spread. Ooh, those look really good.
And then here are the recipes on the back.
They look magically delicious.
Whoa.
23, mandarin spread. I bet that's delicious. I'm surprised I haven't seen anything with jalapenos in it. One of my favorite things is like peach jalapeno jam. Just throw that on some cream cheese and eat it with crackers. Oh man. Oh, the last one is just honey, regular old honey. So I think these three are amazing.
Yeah, I really like
I love all three of these. I'm super excited to try the drinks.
I'm super excited for the pasta.
Super excited.
I just want to stuff the pasta with things and just like.
It'll make your dad jealous because my husband has the pasta maker thing now, so he can make fun pastas. But it's not as easy as it looks. They make it look so easy. I don't think they realize how much skill they have. Anyway, let me know what you guys thought. You can imagine what my fridge is going to look like. I'm going to need a jam drawer.
Oh my goodness. Didn't even think about that.
Yeah, no, I can't just open all of these, so I'm going to have to... It's going to take me like 2 years just to get through all of these, I think, because like...
Not if you make a piece of toast every day and then for your piece of toast.
But I don't want to just only use them for toast. So let me know if you guys have something like... I know you can do cream cheese and put the jam on it and eat it with crackers. I know you can do like a... I forgot which cheese it is. It's escaping my head. The one where you like melt it and stick it in the oven and it like you put the brick of it in the oven and it just melts and it's like fondue. Practically, it's like it dips so easy and then you can put like a jam or something in it. Like I know there's other things you can do with jam besides just toast. All right, guys. We'll see you in part whatever's next. Bye.